recording.
What?
We're recording. We'll see what a video looks like. First video of the GoPro with King Robin here. We got the King Robin. No, we'll call him Prince Robin because I'm the king. You can't be shy on it. Can't be shy on it. Think we got it all set up. That way we can get a full view of how we fish. What do you think? Huh?
Yes.
Yes. Yes, you can't be shy. You're the one that wanted the GoPro.
You bought it.
Yes, it's my GoPro, but we're both going to use it. You can't be shy when you're talking to it.
What?
What? You got to look at it, son.
Hi.
Hi. That ain't going to do it. All these videos you've watched, and that's how you're going to do it's hi. I think we got a good field of view. What do you think?
Yes.
Right now it don't look so good because it's shining that right at the bright doorway in the lights, but once I'm out on the water, it should look a whole lot better. What do you think?
Yeah.
Yeah. All right, first test. We'll see how we did.